Hello and welcome to our friendly point of view of innovative technologies. Today we take a closer look at our adjustable handle, designed to guarantee extremely precise latch adjustment, DN ISO ADJ. Ideal for assembly lines and applications where precision is essential. Thanks to its adjustable system, it adapts to any type of profile, simple flanges, double walls, or custom designs, and to panels with thicknesses from 20 to 100 mm, either single or double step. The latch, made of durable painted aluminum alloy, ensures long-lasting performance. The patented precision screw mechanism allows accurate and repeatable adjustments with increments of 0.25 mm. The position of the keeper can be controlled with a hex key, while the nylon roller adapts to any type of contact material. Even with the door closed, the keeper can be adjusted to achieve optimal gasket compression. Ensures consistent air tightness and optimizes gasket performance. Precision, versatility and durability make it the ideal solution for professional installations. Now let me show you the handle system, which allows the door to be secured in a flexible and efficient way. We place the DN ISO ADJ in the center and add 2 or 3 DN ISO 1 latching handles. From the inside, this can be connected via lever mechanism, simplifying opening and closing. This way, by turning a single handle, all latches can be opened. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I wish you a wonderful day and see you in the next video when I'll present you more interesting handles. Bye bye!